To fix the DoorDash driver app in 2025, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for the app to function properly. Ensure your device is connected to a strong and reliable network. Next, check for any updates to the DoorDash driver app, as using an outdated version can cause issues. Open the App Store on your device. Search for the DoorDash driver app and install any available updates. If updating the app does not resolve the issue, try restarting your device. This can help resolve any technical glitches that may be affecting the app. Press and hold the power button on your device. Select the restart option and wait for your device to reboot. Another step is to check the app's permissions. Ensure that the app has the necessary permissions to access your device's location and other required features. Open the Settings app on your device. Select the DoorDash driver app and ensure that location services and other necessary permissions are enabled. If you are still experiencing issues, try clearing the app's cache and data. Open the Settings app on your device. Select the Storage option and find the DoorDash driver app. Select the Clear Cache and Clear Data options to remove any stored data that may be causing issues. Additionally, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements to run the DoorDash driver app. Check the app's system requirements and compare them to your device's specifications to ensure that your device is compatible. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact DoorDash support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed troubleshooting steps and help resolve any technical issues that may be affecting the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix common issues with the DoorDash driver app and get back to making deliveries. Remember to always keep your app and device up to date to prevent future issues.